Hey folks, welcome back to the Analyst Lens. So as we earlier discussed about the simple linear regression, so in today's video we are going to discuss about the multiple linear regression. We can see how it is different from the simple linear regression and all the other means that needs to be considered. The simple linear regression and multiple linear regression always have continuous data. It does not have any categorical data. And if we have any categorical data, we need to convert it into the continuous data. So I have already uploaded a video on this. You can watch that on my shorts list. So as we now clear about the simple linear regression and multiple linear regression, also about the difference between that. So now let's consider the example of multiple linear regression. The first one is you can use multi and Kishan. And हमें पता लगाना है कि रवि और किशन में से कौन सा वो स्टूडेंट है जो पुटी. So as we can see here 5 columns are given: state, profit, research and development expenditure, marketing expenditure and administrative expenditure. So as here we can clearly see that our targeted variable is profit and all the other are our independent variable. So ये डेटा सेट मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में प्रोवाइड करवा दूंगा ताकि आप इस वीडियो के साथ साथ ही मल्टीपल लीनियर रिग्रेशन परफॉर्म कर सकें. So let's see more about the data set. So the first column we have state. So state refers to the country's part in which the company is operating. For example, in India, if a company is operating in Gujarat, Maharashtra or Mumbai, so these are the states in which they are operating. So the next one is profit. Profit refers to the axis of return over expenditure in a transaction or series of transactions. For example, if the revenue for my organization is 2000 crore and after deducting all the expenditure we have 1000 crore, so these are our profits. The third one is R&D expenditure. So basically in layman language, research and development expenditure refers to the expenditure we incur on our research. For example, we need to gain information about the customer taste and preferences. So in order to get information about this, we need to do some research, and as per the research, the information we get, we need to develop a product which satisfy the consumer demand and needs. So this is what research and development department is in the company. The fourth one is marketing expenditure. We all know that the marketing is the advertisement of a product and services we need to sell. And the fourth one is the administrative expenditure. These are going to use like simple linear regression or multiple linear regression. So let's discuss about this. So plt.x label for setting the labels, like what are the name of the label, and plt.y label also we can give us the title like plt.title, and now once we are done with labels and the respective states, we will just plot the state, drop the column profit from the existing dataset in order to put all the other columns. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel.